everyone. This is Sylvester Speaks English, real life. Let's get started. Today we are going to talk about windy weather. Windy weather can feel fresh, cool, and energetic. Sometimes the wind is gentle, and sometimes the wind is so strong that you can lose your hat. Today, I'll teach you 5 windy day expressions that we use to describe a windy day. So to start off, what is windy weather? Windy weather means air is moving strongly, trees and leaves may move, it may feel cool outside, and hats and umbrellas can blow away. This is how I would describe a windy weather day. Let's begin by learning 5 windy day expressions that we could use to describe weather. The first is, it's windy today. This is a common phrase that we use on a basic windy day. For example, it's windy today, so hold on to your hat. A second expression that we use to describe a windy day is, the wind is strong. We use this for heavy wind. For example, the wind is strong this afternoon. A third expression that we could use is, it's breezy outside. We use this when it's light and a pleasant wind. For example, it's breezy outside, perfect for a walk. A fourth expression that we could use is, the leaves are blowing. This is a natural outdoor phrase. For example, the leaves are blowing everywhere. And our last expression that we could use to describe a windy day is, hold on to your hat. This is a fun native expression that we use in the United States. For example, hold on to your hat, it's really windy. These are 5 expressions that we could use to describe a windy day. Now that we learned 5 windy day expressions that we could use to describe weather, it's time to practice your English. So with a strong, clear, and confident voice, please repeat after me. Number 1, it's windy today. Number 2, the wind is strong. Number 3, it's breezy outside. Number 4, the leaves are blowing. And number 5, hold on to your hat. Now let's talk about activities that we can do on a windy day. Remember, windy days can feel cool, fresh, and exciting. So let's learn 3 great windy day activities that you can do with your friends or family. The first activity is fly a kite. Wind helps the kite rise high into the air. It is fun to watch the kite dance in the air. For example, we are flying a kite in the park. Another important activity is to walk carefully. Strong wind can make it hard to walk. Hold on to your hat, watch your step, and be careful outside. For example, I walk carefully when it's very windy. Sometimes it is also best to stay indoors. If the wind is too strong, you can stay safe and comfortable inside. You can relax and even listen to the wind outside. For example, we are staying indoors because it's windy today. These are 3 great, fun, exciting, and relaxing activities that you can do on a windy day. Now it's time to review and practice your English. Please repeat after me with a strong, clear, and confident voice. Number 1, fly a kite. Number 2, walk carefully. And number 3, stay indoors. Thanks for watching Sylvester Speaks English. Today we described windy weather expressions and fun activities that you can do on a windy weather day. Remember, English is everywhere in real life. Talk about the weather, describe the activities that you like to do on a windy weather day, and keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep improving. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. See you next time on Sylvester Speaks English. Real English, real life.